So guys, if you want to use the auto clicker on your Android, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So without further ado, let's get started. All you need to do, you're going to go to your Google Play Store or App Store, and you have to download this application named Autoclicker Automatic Tap. Once you have downloaded that, simply open it up. Now we have two options. Either we can go for single target mode, and on the other hand we have multi-targets mode. So I'm going to explain both of these one by one. So let's go with single target mode. So if you click on enable, you can see right here we have this launch button, and from here you can use your auto clicker. So for right now I'm going to go to my WhatsApp and I'm going to go to chat. Now if I press this marker to any key, and if I start, you can see it will automatically start typing the S key. Now if you want this auto clicker to be more fast, then you're gonna click on settings. Over here just change the milliseconds from 100 to 1 and click on save. Now if I press the start button, now you can see it's pretty much fast. Alright, so moving towards the next one, the multi-targets mode. If you click on enable, we have some options in the left. Now from here, if you click on this plus icon, you can get multiple markers. So I'm going to place these markers on the keys. So let's choose hey. And if you want to change the speed, you're gonna, now this time you have to just tap on that particular marker and you will find the settings, and you have to just change the milliseconds from 100 to 1, and if I press start, it will start typing. Alright, so let's add a fourth one. Let's do with a spacebar. Let's do with a gap, and you can see right here. So guys, this is basically how you can use the auto clicker on your Android. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.